In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a photo into a circle using Canva. Whether you're creating a design for social media, preparing a presentation, or simply need a circular crop for your personal project, this step-by-step guide will make it easy for you to achieve that polished look effortlessly. Let's start by opening Canva and getting into the design space. First, you want to click on Create a Design. This is where you'll select the format or size suitable for your project. For today's example, we're going to choose presentation, but feel free to select any format depending on your needs, as the process remains the same. Once you've selected the format, it's time to dive into the design process. On the left-hand menu, you'll see several options, including Elements. Go ahead and click on Elements, which will bring up a range of design tools you can use in your presentation. Among these tools, find and click on Frames. Frames are incredibly versatile in Canva, as they allow you to easily manipulate your photos into a variety of shapes. Scroll through the frame options until you locate the circle frame. The circle frame is typically a simple, clean design that really lets your image shine. Once you've found it, click on it to add it to your canvas. You can then adjust the size and position of the circle frame according to where you'd like it in your design. Now that your circle frame is in place, it's time to add your photo. Head back to the left-hand menu and click on Uploads. This section allows you to upload images from your device straight to Canva. If you haven't uploaded the photo you want to use yet, click Upload Files to bring it into your Canva uploads. Once your image is uploaded, it's ready to be placed into the circle frame. Simply select your photo and drag it over to the frame on your canvas. You'll notice that it automatically snaps into the circle shape. This is one of the best features in Canva, as it saves you the hassle of having to manually crop the image yourself. If necessary, you can double click on the photo in the frame to resize or reposition it until it fits perfectly within the circle. And just like that, you have successfully cropped a photo into a circle using Canva. This technique can enhance your design, providing a clean and professional look. Experiment with different photos and frame sizes to explore the endless design possibilities Canva offers. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful Canva tips and tricks.